First, connect the robot gateway to the welding machine port. Second, adjust the 3 knobs on the gateway with a screwdriver. Address points to number 1. Baud rate to number 3. Function selection points to number 5. The third step is to connect the network cable to the gateway. The fourth step is to connect the other end of the network cable to the robot control cabinet interface. Fifth, set various parameters on the welding system. Click on Enter Help, and then Developer. Enter the password 7890. Click on Welding. Select the control method. Click OK and close the page. Click Configuration. Click on Welding Process. Click Configuration. Select the welding type. Select the control method. Click Confirm after setting is done. The sixth step is to restart the system. After restarting, the communication connection is completed.